Hey guys, so we're at the Community Resource Center. I think this is just like a place in the library you can just like put your stuff. Or they put your stuff here, I don't know.
Clock!
Okay, yeah, I think they organize it. Yeah, that's a clock. Good job.
Yeah, yeah, wow.
Oh, okay.
Clock!
Yes, clock, yeah. Okay, well, this is cool. Like, I don't know. Let me see, what? Okay, so here's legal services. So, come here. So, what is that? I'm trying to see if there's anything useful that I would like to use. Oh my god. That's in Spanish. Okay, yeah. Can't read that. Okay. Services. Okay. I'm just trying to see. Okay, there's also housing and shelters here. So that could be real estate related. Hey buddy, I'm almost done. Let me see if there's a kids thing. No, it's not. Let me just hurry up. Hold up. Okay, so these are what I got. Home repairs flyer. What is this? This is about mortgage stuff. Mortgage stuff. Oh my god. Yeah. Home improvement. Mortgage stuff. Mortgage recoveries type thing. And more mortgage stuff. Hey, MJ, you're getting kind of loud. It's the library. You gotta be quiet. Yeah. Okay, hold up. Okay, done. Yeah, that's a house. Good job. Okay, hey, if you guys are watching this, here you can go to hirememphis.org for jobs, ages 16 to 24. You see part-time, full-time, and internships. That's pretty cool. That's great. Targeting that age group. That's very helpful. And then here's kids stuff and family stuff right here. Yeah. So make sure you come to the Benjamin Hooks Library. You can get a lot of resources here. It is a Memphis library, so you have all the Memphis resources. Oh, there's a map of Memphis over here. Okay, let me get these two. Alright, so we got this soundtrack of America, Made in Tennessee flyer thing. We got this bike map. And we also got this tourist attraction thing. A lot of our stuff is just predicated on music, and I feel like if we all just got back to like really doing musical things in Memphis, like we all would, feel a lot better living here. It is the blues, like it sucks here, but it's also great at the same time, I don't know where he's going. You want to go downstairs?
No.
Let's take the elevator this time. It's over there. Come on. Come here. Push the down button. Down. Good job. Yeah. No, don't push the up button. Shh. Come on. Come here.
Yeah.
Come here. Okay. Alright. Push L. Can you reach it? Good job. Okay.
Have like 3 days for her to do whatever she needs to do.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, look at this. Do you see the colors?
Hey. 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 Oh.
Uh-oh, are you okay? You good? Good job. All right. Fall down, gotta get right back up. Okay. Oh, look at this. This whole thing. Yes, that's, no, don't go in there.
E.
Yes, E. Good job.
R.
Okay. Oh, it's magazines over here. Oh, snap. How many of y'all are like gonna invest in Kiki Palmer's do-rag line? Like, I know she sells more than do-rags, but like, wait, is that her business or is it someone else? Like, it's she models for them if it's not her own business. But like, yeah. I hope y'all can hear me. I'm talking very, very low. Yo. Okay, come on. Let's go back over here. We're headed to the little bookstore now. Is this on here? Oh, that's the security room. Okay. My lips dry. Okay. And in the very front, you can get books for less than $1. And like, I freaking love getting things for less than $1. That's like my thing. So if you ever are looking for books and you just want to be cheap or you just don't have the budget to go spend $20, $30 on a book, go see if they have it at the library. It's pretty much at every library, I think, where it's like you can get super cheap books that are used because, you know, they have this a library. They sell their used books. Yeah, I really like these. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna actually look through some stuff, but it's actually the end of this. Lucky's actually on his way back. Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Okay, but yeah. Well, oh, I love Lucy. I love this. Oh my god, this is for sale. I'm gonna come back and get this if I don't like get it right now. Oh snap! And the silver. Oh, I love it, like larger books, documentary type books. But yeah, gonna go ahead and go. Bye guys. Oh, MJ. Say bye. Colon close parentheses less than 3.